everyone, and welcome to Orchard Slope. I'm Jessica, and if you are new to my channel, so am I, so we can hang out and be friends. Today I am going to be decorating based on a challenge that was on Instagram. Some friends of mine over there had a super fun challenge for decorating for spring, and I wanted to jump right on it because it was all about decorating with a picnic theme, and I thought that was so cute. I will actually link those friends on Instagram because if you like Farmhouse Decor, they are some of the best, funnest people that you're going to want to go over there and follow. And while you're over there, you should go follow me too. On Instagram, I'm over there all the time. So if you go over to Instagram, I like to talk about home decor, but then also thrifty finds, vintage finds, and then a little bit of homeschool thrown in there. So head over to Instagram and then come back and we're gonna hang out here and do some decorating. Today I'm decorating in my dining room. I missed the picnic week. That's kind of who I am. I'm always about a week behind, but I loved the idea so much that I wanted to go with it. And this week they were doing another challenge and it was all about vintage dishes. So I thought, heck, why not just combine the two? You know, the whole two birds, one stone thing. So I'm going to use some of my dishes and also decorate with a picnic theme. And I love this because I can keep it up all the way through the summer and into the fall. And it's not going to be one of those things where it's like, I got to take that down because it's seasonal, because I don't got time for that. So anyways, come decorate with me. Hang out while I decorate my buffet under my open shelves. If you missed my video about my open shelves, I will link that here so that you can go watch that video. And here we go. If you watched my other video, you saw that I decorated with my Jadeite on my open shelves plus my enamel collection and lots of whites and woods and lavender. So I wanted to keep that same thing going and just make the whole vignette cohesive. I have an entire blog post about how to make vignettes, so if you haven't read that, you should go there. I will link it down below. And basically you want different textures, heights, colors, shapes, sizes, so that's what I'm going for here. Adding in the picnic blanket just to kind of keep the whole picnic theme going. And then I will just try to add in different textures, heights, shapes, and colors, but also try to keep it matching with what is above it on my open shelves. Okay, I get this question all the time. My Jadeite collection, I wish it was authentic vintage, but it's not. Maybe someday I will splurge and find the perfect pieces, but most of the Jadeite pieces are from the Pioneer Woman collection at Walmart, or the cake stands, the green cake stands, are from the Hearth and Hand collection at Target. So one of my favorite Dolly Parton quotes is, she says, "It costs a lot of money to look this cheap." And that might be true for Dolly, and I love her, but it does not have to cost a lot of money to make your house look the way that you want it. Pretty much everything in my house is either thrifted, or it is from Target, or it is from Walmart. And a lot of the items in this picture are from Walmart, or they're from the Target dollar spot. It's just a matter of putting everything together to get the look that you want. It doesn't have to look cheap, even though it is cheap. Okay, off my soapbox and back to decorating. The whole thing that I'm trying to do here is to keep everything balanced. If you read my blog post about vignettes, it's all about balance and keeping everything balanced out. So in order to get it to flow with the shelves above it, I needed a little touch of lavender. I tried to add the bird in to keep it so that the theme was all cohesive, the Jadeite, and just keep everything with a pretty flow, but also keep everything balanced. So you can see that I'm switching everything on the basket because I didn't want the lavender to face the same direction, but I wanted it to be balanced. And actually, you're gonna see in a minute, I take that other lavender out. So all that work to balance it out, and then I ended up pulling it out anyways. But okay, and then if you've watched any of my videos, you know my favorite part is just adding in all the cute little visual things at the end. The bird nest in the bowl just gives your eye something to go towards instead of an empty bowl. The birds just kind of blended it all together with the birds up on the top. The small little details are my favorite part. That's just kind of what takes it from like, to like, yeah, that looks really good. Thank you for decorating with me today. If you haven't watched already, I do have a video about how I styled these open shelves, so if you haven't seen that, go ahead and head over there and watch that one. If you got some inspiration from today's video, I would love a thumbs up. And last but not least, you're going to want to hit the subscribe button because in the next couple weeks, I have some really amazing friends. Some of my favorite people from Instagram are going to be coming over to this YouTube channel, and they are going to be sharing tips and tricks on decorating and giving us tours of their amazing homes. So you're going to want to not miss that. So make sure that you are subscribed, hit the little bell so you'll get notifications of new videos, and we will see you soon. Have a good day.